All right, everyone, BTC had a much needed retrace today. We did have a finished 5 waves to the downside, and this retrace was to be expected and much needed. It is basically decision time right now for BTC. Got a couple things that I am looking at. I have a bullish scenario I'm going to share with you as far as the wave structure goes. Very bullish. I am leaning bearish though. I am, just because of how this played out in here. We're going to go through all that today. I'm going to show you each scenario, each situation, what I'm looking for with my trades. Let's get right into this, guys. This is Elliott Wave Theory. Check out the free Discord pin in the comment below. There's a free course in there if you want to take it. It's 3 hours long. It'll teach you Elliott Wave right in there and give you an overview of how I trade. So we're going to start out right here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, guys. You know, as far as bullish things BTC has going for it right now, on the 4-hour, this looks nice. This looks promising, but RSI is still sitting way up here. I would have liked this to happen with RSI being down here. But nonetheless, we have a nice tight wave coming up. A lot of times you will see this actually rip to the upside. That's kind of keeping me on the fence, but still, on most time frames, things are looking bearish. Swing fail of the high. I am looking for a close on this fair value gap right here. I want to see the daily close below 105.3K. That's big time for me. 105.3K. We'll see what this daily closes as. We have an hour left, and we are tickling that zone. So, zooming in to BTC. Let's go a little further. Okay. So with this volatility, I'm going to show you a couple different options, couple different things that I'm looking at. For starters, you know, this looks like a flat right here into a final wave. It looks to be done there. Just at a glance, we have a nice impulse down off of that wave with a nice correction. Have we topped out? Are we going to start pushing to the downside here? I'm hoping that's what we get. I have 5 waves finished to the downside. A nice little corrective push to the upside. Let's start pushing down. It's time. It's time. All right. On heat maps, there's liquidity up here. That worries me as well. It's up there if it wants to go take it. But there's also a bunch down here. So it's kind of, on the fence as far as the heat maps go. But this is the bearish count upon which we have our starting wave correction. This should push down in a big way. In a big way, coming down to finally really take out this liquidity again at 90K. Probably 85K is what we're looking at. That's what I would be targeting immediately. Just looking for kind of a 5-wave impulsive structure. After, if we get a push down, be looking for a wave 4 out into a wave 5. And then I'd be getting the hell out of my shorts. Now, if we are looking at this bullishly, which this is a stretch, but it is there. I do have kind of a corrective shape up. It is very extended, but we can have a complex flat upon which we did get 5 waves down, but you would expect that in a flat. Now, what does this mean for the wave structure? Oh my God, this daily candle closes in 1 hour. Are they going to push this down below this fair value gap again right now? We're at 105.5. 105.5. I mean, if they can't close the daily above this fair value gap, I'm going to really like that for downside. Push it down a little more. Come on. All right, anyways. I'm waiting for confirmation. I was short yesterday from down here. Over in the premium Discord, I did alert everyone that right here, I TP'd 30% at the lows, put stop loss break even. I'm happy I did. When you're shorting this far down in the move, you got to be careful. Take profits for sure. So we're out of that trade, and we're on to the next one. Tried taking some shorts in here, pushed up higher, and I'm kind of sitting on the sidelines with BTC. I'm still in my ETH short. So, and if you guys want to check out the premium Discord, just click upgrade here in the free Discord. Get a 4-day free trial if you want to give it a try. You got 4 days for free. Why not? Come check it out. So, back to what I was saying. With the bullish count, if this is bullish, and if this is a complex flat correction, well then, hey, this would be my finished 1 wave into a 2 down here. Boys and girls, we're talking big time. Big time. 3, 4, 5. No joke. Like this is going to start going. You know, the higher we creep here, right where we are at right now is the determination zone. Are we going to dump from here, pump from here? It's one or the other. Either people are really bullish or they're really bearish. Market makers are toying with everyone right in this zone because of that. But I think this next move is going to be the actual breakdown or break up. And it is decision time. So as I'm looking to trade this, I'm waiting for confirmation. You know, let's get this daily to close below 105.5. See a good push down, and I'll snag a retrace on BTC. I'll pile into shorts on a retrace if we get it. Let's go smaller time frame on this. If you guys are looking to trade this, I trade on Blowfin and BitUnix. The links are pinned in the first comment down below. So they are no KYC. They're the best no KYC exchanges out right now. And if you guys want to give them a try, the links are down below. BitUnix, you'll get 20% deposit bonus, and VIP 2, which is 15% off trading fees, plus their regular bonuses. And then Blowfin, you get this massive deposit bonus and trading volume bonuses as well, up to 2,500 on the trading volume, up to 1,000 on the deposit bonus. You just sign up with your email. Just click the links pinned in the first comment down below. So going smaller time frame on this. What do we have here? Let me see what we retraced to. About the 618. Is this an extended ABC? Could be. Could be. Let's see if we get a push down. I mean, this at a glance right now, you either have a 1-2, 1-2, big time 3-4-5s coming, but honestly, it does look more corrective to me at the moment. So we'll see if we can hold this. Maybe we just get a correction, retrace down in here, and then we start pumping. I'd be watching 104, 105K. But what I'm really waiting for, guys, is some conviction. I want to see conviction. I'll probably take a short down in here, see if we can get continuation to the downside if we get that conviction. Switching on over to ETH. Hoping we get a rollover on ETH. Looking at this trend line right here, I feel like it's going to break on us. Liquidity's been taken up here. There's no reason for them to come back up here. There's really not. If they come back up here, this is just going to start going, in my opinion. Same thing with BTC. But I do see this trend line busting here. I just want to see this thing roll over. Let's just roll over and go. Let's roll over and go. All right, my ETH trade was put in right here, and that's where my stop loss is, around 34.50. I think it was like 34.30 to be honest with you. So that's where my stop loss is, just chilling break even on that ETH trade. And we will see what happens. If we should get our answer going into tonight, into tomorrow. I'll update you guys in tomorrow's video. Subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates, and we'll see if we can grab a short entry here. Dang, I should have longed this bottom. I really should have. Just hedge longed it. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? If you're long from down here, it's worth holding, guys, in my opinion. Worth holding to see if you can actually get this rip to the upside. Time will tell. We'll see where this daily closes in 50 minutes. I want to see it sub 105.5K. Let's go. All right, trade safe, everyone. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.